Redefine how you visualize, manage, and navigate your organization with TeamOrgChart, integrating directly into your existing Microsoft 365 workflow. As teams grow and responsibilities shift, maintaining clear communication and strong connections becomes increasingly difficult. TeamOrgChart offers a solution by visually mapping the structure of your organization and providing quick access to the information you need. Navigate your charts with ease and find who you need quickly with bookmarks and employee search. Display only what is important to you by applying conditional rules and highlighting key information with custom styling. Adapt your chart to a changing workforce with the option to add temporary and vacant positions. Easily share your chart with colleagues by adding to a Microsoft Teams channel or print to a PDF, image or SVG. TeamOrgChart offers the opportunity to foster collaboration, support your staff onboarding process, and serve as an essential tool for planning into the future. Sign up for a free trial today and see the impact TeamOrgChart can have on your organization.